We need very good vision, and the man who has it must follow it, as the eagle seeks the deepest blue. We'll walk past you without a fight if you let us, but we'll walk beside you anyway. Whenever the white man treats the Indians as they treat each other, then we shall have no more wars. We shall all be the same, brothers of one father and one another, with one heaven above us and one earth around us, and one government for all. I am a red man. If the Great Spirit had wished me to be a white man, He would have made me so in the first place. He has placed certain desires and plans in your heart, in my heart. He made different and different wishes. Every man is good in his eyes. It is not necessary for eagles to be crows. We are poor, but we are free. No white man controls our steps. If we must die, we will die defending our rights. I heard you intend to settle us in a reservation near the mountains. I don't want to settle down. I like to roam the prairies. There I feel free and happy, but when we settle down we fade and die.